Energy stored in capacitor. Dear students, a capacitor is a device that can store charge. To store charge, work has to be done. This work done is stored as electrostatic potential energy in the capacitor. Consider a parallel plate capacitor having potential difference V and charge Q. The work done during the process of transferring dq amount of charge through the potential difference of V volts is dW equals to VdQ. For a capacitor V equals to Q by C, so dW equals to Q by C into dQ. Total work done to transfer total charge Q is W equals to integrating dW, which is equals to integrating Q by C dQ from 0 to Q. That is, W equals to 1 by C integrating Q dQ from 0 to Q, which is equals to 1 by C into bracket Q square by 2 from 0 to Q. Therefore, W equals to 1 by 2 Q square by C, which is equals to U. Let's call this as equation number 1. This work done is stored as the electrostatic potential energy in capacitor. With the knowledge of C equals to Q by V, we can rearrange the expression as U equals to 1 by 2 Q square by C, which is equals to 1 by 2 CV square. Let's call this as equation number 2. When capacitor is allowed to discharge, then this stored potential energy is utilized to move charges. With discharging of capacitor, the stored potential energy also gets released. For parallel plate capacitor, we have charge Q equals to sigma into A and C equals to A into epsilon 0 by D. Therefore, U equals to 1 upon 2 into bracket sigma A bracket square upon A into epsilon 0 by D. Therefore, U equals to sigma square AD upon 2 epsilon 0. Let's call this as equation number 3. The electric field E equals to sigma upon epsilon 0. Therefore, sigma equals to epsilon 0 into E. Therefore, U equals to into bracket epsilon 0 into E bracket square into A into D upon 2 epsilon 0. Therefore, U equals to half of epsilon 0 into E square into A into D. Let's label this as equation number 4. Have a look at the quantity A into D, which suggests volume. If U is the energy density stored per unit volume of the electric field in space, then U equals to U upon A into D, which is equals to half epsilon 0 into E square. In general, this equation is valid not only for parallel plate capacitor but also for electric field due to any configuration of charge. So I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thanks for watching.